Chase out deposit. Money just stick with the boy. A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot in Treasury. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through that in the jet to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. We're here. We have some hair to do. This one is a surprise. I don't know, but I'm gonna look in it. Why it's a surprise? Because I do my hair videos. Sometimes I'll do 2 in a day, sometimes I'll do 1, and so forth. Let me take this off. So this one, I don't remember with the company which hair I'm getting, so it's gonna be a surprise. Sometimes I'll go in the box before, but now this one, because I've been doing them, is by UNice hair, or UNice. So this is it. It's in a cute bag, and what I like is that they always send you a bag so you can store your wigs. And then here comes the box. So this is it. Let's go in. You guys are gonna see it before me, so look. Oh, what color is it? Can you guys see? Hold on. Let me see. Okay, seems like a colored wig. And no, they're talking because it's that time. No, this is this box cannot be defined. Okay, this is packed with stuff. So, all right. I have a wig cap that's labeled from the brand. I have the edge band from the brand UNice. UNice got their own nails, honey. I got some more wig caps. They always send me extra wig caps. So yeah. And then I believe this is a robe from them as well. So perfecto. And how can we forget the wig itself? So it's a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig, and I think it's 33B 24 inches by UNice here. I love that they label the wig. Some of the times I have to go back through my email to see what everything is. Maybe the color that they have it on the website, because I might look at this and say, oh, this is like a burgundy, but it's not burgundy. This have an orange tone, and the wig is curl. Look at those bouncy curl, bouncy guys. Look at that. Yes, the wig is already curled. Let's take it out and see. So guess what? We're gonna have a super easy and seamless install. I am so happy. It's well secure. This is how the lace look. You guys know all the wigs come with rigid ends, and I like to just go in and razor cut it so it's not showing. You can install it as is. I just like the more, not so perfect look with it, to see that that's how it came. So right now I just not feel like saying me even have a curl here, because it came with curls and the color is beautiful. I love that it's a breathable cap. The inside, it also have a band. I love that. And let me tell you, I love my wigs with a comb at the back, because I use the comb to go up in my hairline. So right now, what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and I'm going to prep the lace. I'm going to add makeup to the lace, and I'm going to take off the rigid ends, and then I will be back with the install. Let's get into it. If you guys haven't liked the video, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe. And what do you think about the color? Like, before the install, we completely do everything. What's your opinion on the color? It is beautiful. It seemed like a custom color that they made. The curls are not too tight. I'm excited, so let's get into it.
Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint. She got that coming down. She's a tyrant. Every time I ride it, every time I ride it, make it look so good. Try to justify it. Boy, you know they looking for me. How we gonna hide it? Riding like I drive it. I am such a tyrant. Every time I ride it, every time I ride it, I don't like to sit up in the saddle. Boy, I got it. Just relax, I got this. I got that excited. Hips are so hypnotic. I am such a tyrant. She got that water, and man got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, giddy up. Don't put me in gold. Giddy up, giddy up. Back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, giddy up. When the sun goes down, giddy up, you can hear this body howl. Giddy up now, dig it down, dig it down. Dig it down again, leave me alone, leave me alone. Damn if I do, damn it if I don't. Hit it with a whip, what you wanna want. Okay. Tight, every time I ride it, every time I ride it, make it look so good. Colors justify it. Boy, I know they're looking for me. How we gonna hide it? Riding like I drive it. I am such a tyrant. Every time I ride it, every time I ride it, baby, I just don't sit up in the saddle. Boy, I got it. Just relax, I got this. I got that exotic. This hip so hypnotic. I am such a tyrant. And tell me now, you owe me a debt. You stole him from me. I hated you once, I envy you now. Just tell me how, tell me how.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look, and the crowd even know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers. Someone to talk to for hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you and mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace. Someone to help you sleep. Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only if I'm on the stage right.
Alright guys, I honestly don't feel like I want to touch this wig. When I tell you the curls are just bouncing all around, and I love that. I love the freelance of it, and I really don't want to touch it. I don't want to put no curls. They're so soft. They're not detangled. I just want to freelance and leave it as is, and we're gonna do that. So basically I showed you guys, when you get this wig, you don't need much. You don't have to add anything to it. No curls, because the curls are defined and the curls are soft. They're soft and defined. So with that being said, it's not like even when you comb the curls out, it's still there. Like, it doesn't get natty. Sometimes when you have these type of wigs, because the process they have to curl it themselves or to add the curls to it, it's a bit natty. And you know, I love that about this one. I can freelance it. All I have to do is just keep doing this, and then it forms its own curls, and I love that. I honestly love it. I don't think I want to touch it, so I'm just gonna fix it a little bit and see if anywhere else need anything to razor off, because it's not perfect. I did go in with layers, but I didn't like section out anything to add the layers. So with that being said, yeah, I love it. So far, absolutely love it. All right, perfect. Yes. All right, let me finish up and I will be back. Let me tell you guys where the wig is from. It's from UNice Hair, and the link will be there to the direct hair. If you want a softer curl, you can go like this and bring them around. Like the curl, if you guys look at that, I just love it. If you guys want to go ahead and even pin the hair up, you can wear it pinned up. Let's see, let's take out some. This is not perfect, but I'm just showing you guys it's perfect. Okay, now the direct link to the hair will be in the description. Make sure you guys check it. Make sure you go on their website. If there's something else that you're interested in, you can go on the website and click it. But that's it for now. Thanks again to UNice for sponsoring this video. I have to give it about the curls. The curls are insane. They're soft and flexible. So thanks once more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But we're not done. We didn't even do our makeup. Alright, so we are back, and I went and did my makeup. So this is it. Now you can talk about the hair, because with the makeup, eat. Okay? Now you can go outside, you can go to work, you can have a drink. Whatever you're doing today, you can do that tomorrow for the rest of the week. I did not touch the curls, just to let y'all know. But let's get into the cute part. This is the final look, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay?